Today, I'll show you how to change your account type on CIBC. Whether you're looking to upgrade, downgrade, or simply switch your account type for better benefits, this guide will walk you through the two main options available to you. To get started, it's important to note that changing your CIBC bank account type isn't something you can fully complete online. Instead, you'll need to reach out directly to CIBC. Let's explore your first option, contacting CIBC customer service. To do this, simply grab your debit or credit card and locate the customer service number, which is conveniently printed on the back. Once you've dialed the number, you'll be connected to a CIBC representative. Let them know that you wish to perform a product switch or change your account type. The representative will then guide you through the various account options available, ensuring you find one that suits your needs. They will also help process the change, making the transition as smooth as possible. If you prefer a more personal touch, your second option is to visit a CIBC branch in person. Before you head out, make sure to bring along your debit card and a valid government-issued ID. These are essential for verifying your identity and accessing your account details. Once at the branch, approach a banking advisor. They are there to assist you and will review your current account, offering insights into other account types that might be more beneficial for you. With their guidance, you can easily switch to a different account type that aligns better with your financial goals and lifestyle. Now, you might be wondering about your account number. Will it change? In many cases, you'll be pleased to know that your existing account number may remain the same after the switch. This means less hassle for you, as there's no need to update automatic payments or inform contacts of a new account number. Once your request is approved, your new account type will be updated, and you can start enjoying the benefits it offers. And just like that, you've successfully changed your account type on CIBC. And that's how to change your account type on CIBC. Whether you choose to call customer service or visit a branch, both options offer a straightforward path to updating your account type. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might be looking to switch their CIBC account type as well. See you in the next video.